This is a video for AQA Further Pure Mathematics. This is Complex Numbers, section 3.2, converting modulus and argument form to Cartesian form of complex numbers. We've got a diagram here which shows both the Cartesian form, so z equals x plus iy, and the polar form using r and theta, the modulus and argument. We can see from the diagram, the little right angled triangle, that y here being the opposite side, y equals sine theta multiplied by r, so r sine theta, and x is r cosine theta. So we can use those then to simply say that therefore, given r and theta, x is r cos theta and y is r sine theta, and then we can substitute those to give us x plus iy in Cartesian form. We need to just remember that the angle for the argument is given in radians, so you need to calculate in radian mode on your calculator. So here's an example where we've got the modulus r equal to 4 and the argument theta is 2 pi over 3. So therefore x we can get by 4 cosine 2 pi over 3, which is 4 multiplied by negative a half, which is therefore equal to negative 2, and y is 4 sine 2 pi over 3, which is 4 root 3 over 2. Again, try and make sure that your calculator is in a calculating mode, so it does give you the third form of these. So sine of 2 pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. Therefore, putting those into the Cartesian form, we get negative 2 plus 2 root 3i. It's always worth checking, as I have done here with a diagram, to make sure that your number is in the correct quadrant. So we can see there that the negative 2 and the 2 root 3 do make sense for where we've placed the diagram, or the number within the Argand diagram. Here's another one where we've got the complex number again in its modulus and argument form, so that we've got root 3 for the modulus and this time negative pi by 3 for the argument, so you can see it on the Argand diagram there. X is root 3 multiplied by the cosine of a negative pi by 3, and that gives us root 3 over 2, and y using the sine of negative pi over 3 gives us negative 3 over 2. So again, just making sure that you're happy with the quadrant that we're in. It's in the positive x and negative y, so yes, the fourth quadrant, which is what we had to start with. We had z is root 3 over 2, then minus 3 over 2i. So that was modulus and argument form to Cartesian form. In the next video we'll be looking at multiplying in modulus and argument form.